Hello students, welcome back to the channel. See, we are going to understand some more important terminology related to this depreciation topic and we are going to wind up it. See, first is consumption of fixed capital. It is just another name given to depreciation. We will be using this term in economics in future in upcoming chapters also. So don't get confused. Consumption of fixed capital is the same thing what depreciation means. But sir, why this name, consumption of fixed capital? What does this understands for? See, what do you mean by fixed capital? Fixed capital means capital invested over fixed assets. And as you all know, fixed assets is totally related with depreciation, or I should say depreciation is on the fixed assets only, the same thing. That's why we have this fixed capital over here. Now, why this is called consumption of fixed capital? Because in the process of production, when any producer performs it, this process of production, he consumes the fixed assets like machinery in the process. Now, consuming the fixed asset means he is ultimately consuming the capital invested in the business on fixed asset, or I should say he's ultimately consuming the fixed capital. More and more fixed asset is used in the process, more and more consumption of fixed capital will be said. Okay. Second thing what we have to study is capital loss. See, most of the time it is asked in the board in 1 marks also. What is capital loss? Simply. Now don't get it confused. You have already studied it also. Okay. See, this is the loss which occurred on fixed assets due to unexpected obsolescence. Now, unexpected obsolescence, as you all know, the accidental damage or the damage which happens due to the natural calamity or due to the economic recession, which is totally uncertain. So any loss which occurred on fixed asset due to any unexpected obsolescence is known as capital loss. And one more thing, while taking into consideration the depreciation, we never considered unexpected obsolescence. Remember this. I repeat, while taking into consideration the depreciation, or I should say the depreciable value, we never take unexpected losses. That means calculation of depreciation is never based on unexpected losses. Capital loss is not taken under the purview of calculating depreciation of any fixed asset. Okay. One more word or term that we will study. We have already studied it, but a proper definition will be a good thing I'll do with this topic, that is depreciation reserve fund. I'll give you a one small definition that will be easy for you to understand. See, these are funds or provisions. Provisions, I've told you what does this mean. Amount set aside for known liability. Provisions used for replacement of fixed assets. See, remember this point, fixed assets. When these are worn out, these means the fixed assets are worn out or become obsolete. Outdated. Obsolete means outdated. Okay. Now next is CRC. CRC means current replacement cost. First I'll explain what this current replacement cost means. The cost that you will bear while you are replacing the asset, simply. Or in simple words, if I say It is the estimated value of depreciation for all the producing units in the economy. कि कितना टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन आएगा या कितनी टोटल कॉस्ट आएगी जिसके थ्रू हम किसी भी एसेट को फ्यूचर में रिप्लेस करेंगे. ओके, so I'll write the definition. It is estimated value of depreciation for all producing units in the economy during an accounting year. Simple. Okay, next word is, or next term is scrap value. Okay, scrap value is, scrap means होता है कबाड़. सिंपल. ठीक, तो कबाड़ मीन्स कि ऐसी वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट जो बिल्कुल अब वो एसेट यूज के लिए नहीं है, यानी बेकार हो चुकी है, कबाड़ हो चुकी है. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब ये होगा, इट इज वर्थ ऑफ फिजिकल एसेट which is no longer in use. ऐसी एसेट जो यूज में नहीं है और उसकी कबाड़ वैल्यू क्या होती है, इसे कहते हैं कबाड़ वैल्यू. ठीक है, सो नाउ यू गॉट दिस. दीज आर द टर्म्स विच आर needed to be understand by you in this topic of depreciation. Now the topic of depreciation is wind up. Now 2-3 topics are more left in winding up this chapter also. Hope you all are making the notes, subscribing the channel, like it, share it, and please support this initiative in this period of lockdown. Thank you, students.